Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on AlmaLinux 9.5. The process is same on all AlmaLinux 9 versions. Open any web browser, go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL is the world's most advanced open source relational database. Also see here the notification on 21st November 2024, PostgreSQL 17.2 is released. Click on download. Click on Linux. Then select Red Hat, Rocky or AlmaLinux. So click on this box. See, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHEL, Rocky Linux, AlmaLinux, CentOS, Oracle Linux and Fedora. Okay. Now scroll down. See here the versions. We have the versions from 13 to 17. Select the latest one, that is 17. Then select the platform RHEL, Rocky, AlmaLinux or Oracle Linux 9. Okay. Select it. Now to install PostgreSQL 17.2, we have to run these commands one by one. Open terminal. Then copy the first one. It is going to install the RPM repository for the PostgreSQL. Paste it, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. Now disable the built-in PostgreSQL module. Paste it, hit enter. Now install the PostgreSQL. Control A, sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 17-server. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17.2 and it is also going to install these dependencies. Type Y and hit enter. Now see, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17. Now initialize the database by copying this command, paste it, hit enter. Control L. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. Give the tab. Hit enter. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server, but it is not started and disabled. Okay, so we have to enable and start. So first enable it. Sudo systemctl enable. Give the PostgreSQL tab and hit enter. It is done. Now start it. Hit enter. Now verify. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Okay. Control L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. So to verify the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.2. After connecting to PostgreSQL server, the first step is we have to set the password for the Postgres user, that is the super user. So first verify list of users, \du. See, we have only one user, that is super user. So set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. We have successfully set the password. Control L. Now verify list of databases. \l. See, these are the default databases comes with installation of PostgreSQL 17. Now create a database. Create database R2schools. Put semicolon. See, we have created a database. Now verify again, \l. See, new database R2schools is there. We can also verify list of databases by running select statement against pg_database. See, we have these three databases. Now switch to this new database by using \c or \connect. See, you are now connected to database R2schools as user Postgres. Let us create a table in this database. Before that, verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Create. See, we have created a table successfully and insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, this is the data. See, if we give star, it retrieved all column values. But if you want only particular column, just give column names. See, we got that particular column values. Okay. Let us create a user. Create user. Verify again. See, new user is created. To exit from this PSQL client, just give \q. Now connect to PostgreSQL by using this user. PSQL caps u. Provide the username. Provide the database name. -d means database name. -h localhost. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected with the user James. Let us verify the current user. See, we have connected PostgreSQL by using James user. Now try to create a table with this user. See, we are unable to create. So, why? Because this user doesn't have the privileges or permissions to create in this database. So, for that we have to grant the privileges. There is a link in the video description to grant and revoke permissions to a user in PostgreSQL. You can go through it and you can practice. Okay. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service on AlmaLinux. Exit. Now run the sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Verify status. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped. Q to quit, Ctrl L. Now try to connect. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL service stopped. So start it again. Exit from this user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service started. To quit, Ctrl L. Now restart the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl restart. We have successfully restarted. And one more option that I am going to show you is connect to PostgreSQL. Sudo. We will see now PostgreSQL conf file and HBA conf file. Show config_file. See, this file contains server level configuration information. HBA means host based authentication. So HBA underscore file. This file contains host-based authentication information. If you want to find the log directory, show log underscore directory. And if you want to find the data directory, just give the data directory. See, this is the data directory. Okay. Until now, we have performed actions on PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. If you haven't installed dbeaver on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install dbeaver on AlmaLinux. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on AlmaLinux 9.5. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.